So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishnitana Mandela. So one more electric bike entered into the Indian electric vehicle market. This is Cridinar. This electric bike is made by One Electric. It is a startup in India, and this company claimed that 80% of this electric bike component is made in India. So let's see the complete review of Cridinar electric bike and how it performs on the road. Now firstly, if you look at the design of the Cridinar, I think apart from the headlamp, most of the parts looks familiar with the petrol bike. I think the company is planned in such a way that their targeted audience is petrol bike users to convert them into electric bike. I think that's why they have chosen such kind of design, the Cridinar electric bike. And when we talk about the height of this electric scooter, it is medium height. When compared with RV400, it is a little short height, which means people who think RV400 is a little height, they can consider the Cridinar because it is medium height, and you can clearly see the height of Cridinar electric bike. So now when we're talking about the build quality of this electric bike, most of the parts are made with fiber plastic. I think very few parts of them are actually made with iron. If you see, you can see it is made with fiber plastic, the plastic sound, and the battery, I mean the guarding for the battery is also made with fiber plastic. Leg guard is made with iron. The remaining frames are made with iron. I think some of the protective elements are made with iron, but most of the parts are made with fiber plastic. So the build quality is like 60% made with the plastic and the remaining 40% is made with iron. So now let's see the specifications of Cridinar electric bike. The top speed of this electric bike is 95 km per hour. The claimed range is 120 km in eco mode. In eco mode, the top speed must be around 40 to 55 km per hour. Whereas if you go with full speed, which means 95 kph, the range will be around 80 kilometers. So that's the range and speed of this Cridinar electric bike. Whereas the battery pack, you can see the battery packs is a fixed battery pack. They said that it is a kind of heavy battery pack. That's why they didn't give the option of a removable battery. So you can see this is the battery pack here, and this is the complete compartment for the battery, and this is the charging point here. The capacity of this battery pack is 3 kWh. It is lithium ion battery pack. The charging time is around 4 to 5 hours. So the power consumption will be around 3 units. I think in Hyderabad, if you consider the power consumption, it will be around 6 rupees based on the power tariff plans in Hyderabad. But in other cities, the power tariff plan might be varies. The battery capacity is 3 kWh, and the motor is hub motor. It is BLDC hub motor. It is mounted the backside, 3 kilowatt power. Again, it is rated power. It is not the peak power. The rated power motor is 3 kilowatt, whereas the peak power is 5.5 kilowatt. So that's the battery and motor specifications. So now let's see the braking and the wheels. So on the front side, there is a 16-inch tubeless tire is there, and you will get a 220mm disc brake at the front side. See the telescopic suspension in almost all electric two-wheelers right now available in India. That's what the company also did the same thing. And at the rear side, they have given 2 shock absorbers, whereas the wheel size here is 17-inch tubeless tire, whereas the tire side at the rear is 17-inch, and this is also tubeless, and whereas the disc brake is 240mm disc brake. So these are the braking details of Cridinar. And also you can see the logo of One Electric here. The same logo you can see on the back side, the same part at the back side, you will see the One Electric brand logo, and also below the seat you will see Cridin. This is the logo of Cridin, and the same logo will be there at the back side of the bike. Talking about the seat here, it is a wide seating. They have given a wide seating compared with RV400. The seating is a little wide. I'm not saying that it is too wide, but it is a little more than RV400. So now we see the dashboard of Cridinar electric bike. You will see a small LED display here. It's not so big, but it is a small LED display. You can see speed, range, battery percentage, and voltage of the battery pack. And there is also 2 indicators for the left indicator and right indicator, and also headlamp indicator is also there. But what are the speeds for this? There are 3 modes available in this electric bike. In the first mode, the top speed is around 40 to 55 kph, whereas in the second mode, the top speed is up to 60 to 80 km per hour. In the third mode, the top speed is up to 95 kph. But you will get the 120 km range only in the eco mode, that is up to 40 to 55 kph. The range will be 120 kilometers. I think the range is limited to 120 kilometers because they have increased the speed. If you compare this with RV400 top speed is 80 kph. That's why the bike is able to give up to 156 kilometers of range, whereas this bike speed is up to 95 kph. I think that is one of the reason the range is limited to 120 kilometers. Also, the battery capacity for this bike is 3 kilowatt hour. That is one more thing. Whereas RV400 battery capacity is 3.24 kilowatt hour. Now we see the lighting of this Credenar electric bike. So the headlight comes with halogen light, and the side lights also comes with yellow lights only. Whereas on the back side also you'll get one tail lamp, and also backside also you'll get 2 indicator lights also, and all these lights are equipped with yellow light, which means the halogen lights. You will get these halogen lights at the backside also. But one thing I have noticed is the center stand. I think the ground clearance, if you see the ground clearance of this electric bike, I can check, like you will see like 2 hands. If you keep these 2 hands, you will get a small space. I think it's more than 2 hands of ground clearance you will get this. But the problem here is, if you keep this electric bike on the center stand, the backside wheel is not rotating. I think the company needs to adjust this center stand height. The dealer said that this is actually a tested vehicle. Maybe they will modify this. If they modify this, it will be a good factor. But if you consider this, right now the wheel is not rotating. If I accelerated this bike also, it is not rotating because it is touching the ground actually. And they also given one side stand also. So that's the complete details of Credenar electric bike. Now we will go for a test ride of this Credenar electric bike, and we will see how this electric bike performs on the road. Finally, I have finished the test ride of Credenar electric bike, and here is the final verdict of this Credenar electric bike. So the first thing I have noticed is, in the low speed mode or medium speed mode or high speed mode, the electric bike is giving steady acceleration. Just like the petrol bike users, they are habited for a steady acceleration. But usually if you look at electric bikes, they will give instant torque at the initial seconds also, but this is giving a steady acceleration. That's why most of whoever are mostly into petrol bike users, if they test ride this electric bike, they don't find much difference in it. And moreover, the pickup levels are good. Once it gets the minimum acceleration, then it is grabbing the high speed movement, and any kind of road conditions also the performance is good first. And the second point is, even on the inclined roads also, people might think that whether these electric bikes are able to travel on the inclined roads, but this Credenar, you don't have any kind of doubts. Just like RV400, this bike is also capable of that, especially the motor power. Whatever the 3 kilowatt motor power is doing its job, and also the 5.5 kilowatt peak power, you can feel that peak power. Whenever you are accelerating at the highest level, you will feel the peak power, that 5.5 kilowatt. Whenever the rider feels comfortable, simply focus on the ride. They don't need to worry about the bike balancing and all. And also the bike balancing is also good. That's why the performance of this Credenar electric bikes is also good. But on the other side, if you see the improvements part of this electric bike, the seat actually, when you're riding on the the potholes, you will feel the seat a little hard. So that the company need to be modified. They need to give a little cushion kind of seat that will give more comfort. Even when I ride with a pillion also, that's what we are feeling that. So that thing they need to modify that. Even though the bike is with medium height also, even on the speed breakers also, you don't feel that kind of discomfortableness. You feel okay with that with this bike. Now coming to the braking is fine, because the front side you're getting a 220 mm disc brake, and the rear side you will get 240 mm disc brake, and the disc brakes action is good. And the safety levels, because this bike comes with combi braking system,